Hi and welcome to another FIS weekly oil market update. This week we've seen Brent again marching forward, starting the week at $65.50. We opened up this morning at around 68. The market seems to have effectively looked straight through the events that are unfolding in India. It's said to have been able to keep a slight lid on things, but ultimately the rather tragic events that are happening over there at the moment, with this COVID pandemic reaching almost breaking point, doesn't seem to have had too much of an impact on the market. Obviously, it goes without saying that here at FIS, our thoughts are with our friends over in India at the moment as they try and battle this. But in terms of the market, it doesn't seem to be having a huge impact at the moment. The forward momentum is still there. We saw a little bit of a sell-off this morning, potentially some profit taking before the long weekend. But as Goldman's Jeff Curry said, the macro headwinds have actually turned into tailwinds, with lower rates and a weaker dollar. It's all kind of combining with this general feeling that we are about to explode out of the blocks coming into the second half of this year, with demand really set to increase. We're entering driving season soon, and right across the globe, as here in Britain and across the pond in the US, we're set to break out of this lockdown that's kind of been containing the market as a whole. And that really is starting to be priced into Brent at the moment. Everything's looking pretty rosy. OPEC were supposed to meet this week and to discuss any alterations to their output cuts. They've actually postponed that until mid-June. As for the fuel oil market, the high sulfur crack market has remained fairly stable. There is some strong demand at the moment for high sulfur fuel. As for the VLS, we saw a weakening on the fuel oil gas oil spreads this week, which has actually kept a lid on the VLSFO prices, despite the fact that we've had that push on Brent and gas oil as well. We are up from where we started the week, but like I said, they have been restrained by the fact that kind of this perfect storm of a lack of demand and some refiner hedging as well has pushed the fuel oil gas oil spreads down. But I hope you enjoy the long weekend, and I look forward to catching up with you next week.